Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious banana smoothie. The ingredients I'm going to use in my smoothie are 2 bananas, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 2 glasses of low-fat milk. The first step is adding the bananas into the blender. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. The next step is adding 2 glasses of milk. And then putting the lid on the blender. Blend for 1 minute. Pour into a glass and serve immediately. Now I'm going to taste it. It tastes very good. A filling smoothie that will give you a strong start on your day. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.